Be ready? Start. Sir, with regard to this banking laws, there is much to be said. Stop. After the nationalization of banks, several issues have cropped up. Stop. Here, the government proposes certain amendments, out of which some are necessary, but I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to the Banking Laws Bill 70 of 1983, in which there is a proposal for prohibition of the acceptance of deposits by unincorporated bodies. Stop. About this, I would like to stress this point because society has its structure in this country. Stop. There are certain money lenders who are rendering some service to the people. Stop. Your branches have not reached their stop. That entire structure or infrastructure, whatever you name it, is not their stop. Because of that, Sarraf associations have made representation to the government on the way in which you are stopping this thing. Stop. If we say you can collect deposits from 10 people only, then this entire thing will come to a standstill. Stop. Your other amendments I support. Stop. But as far as this thing is concerned, I would like the government to think. Stop. The basic objective, which is difficult to understand and much less to appreciate, of this underlying objective behind the introduction of the bill, and more particularly the amendment mentioned above, which is likely to have a far-reaching effect on various sectors of the economy. Stop. If the government is determined to protect and promote the interest of the depositors or root out malpractices on the part of certain elements in the informal credit market, then there are various ways and means by which these aims could be achieved. Stop. It is apprehended that such a drastic measure will result in squeezing the source of credit in the informal credit market, which will not only paralyze the normal course of conduct of business in the urban and rural areas, but also provide wide scope for unhealthy and undesirable practice, a situation which can hardly be viewed with calm. Stop. We humbly feel that rigorous restrictions on acceptance of deposits by the unincorporated bodies has also draconian measures to control them would only cause serious damage to the economy, resulting in hardship to millions of people without any commensurate benefit to anybody. Stop. Now, sir, this is the representation that they have made. Stop. Since all the branches of our nationalized banks have not reached the rural areas, in the far-flung areas, what would happen to those people? Stop.